5-minute cloth, and I have a video review for you on a bunch of different ImseVimse cloth diapers. My local baby boutique had a baby fest, and Doreen with ImseVimse was at the baby fest showing all of the different diapers and products that they sell. I got talking with her and she agreed to give me a couple products to show with you guys. I also purchased a few things, but I am really excited about this brand. There's not a lot of reviews or information on YouTube, at least, on ImseVimse, so I wanted to just show you guys the products that I have and give you some of my opinions and just talk about their company a little bit. Here are some of the products I have for ImseVimse. I'll talk about each one of them and then a little bit about their company as well. But this is their sized all-in-one, one size cover with inserts, so like an all-in-two, their training pants, their swim diaper. I really enjoy all of these products. There are pros and cons with all of them, just like any cloth diaper or any product really in general. So let me first talk a little bit about ImseVimse. The reason I'm really excited about this company is that they've, one, been around for a while, and two, a really ethical company that cares a lot about quality, environmental impacts, and work conditions. They make sure that all of their products are OEKO TEX Standard 100. Only want what's going to be the most safe and ethical fabrics possible. ImseVimse is a Swedish company, and these products here are made in Latvia. I think maybe some other products are made in other places, but I believe all their products are made in Europe. They have lots and lots and lots of products where almost everything is 100% cotton. So all of these diapers outside of like the PUL are 100% cotton, which I really, really like. But they also make cloth pads, nursing pads, facial rounds, wet bags. They have wool and silk breast pads. They have bibs and towels and blankets and swaddles. They have wipes and wet bags and swimming suit tops and bottoms and hats. They have lots and lots of really high quality products. I'll leave the link to their website below. Let's start with the all-in-one first. So this is a size diaper. I have the size large for my toddler. She is about 25 pounds at 2. She just turned 2. And this diaper is still very roomy on her. I would say these run pretty big. She would probably do just fine with a medium all the way through potty training because she is on the petite side. She is kind of short, so this diaper has a very high rise in the back. I know a lot of people really prefer that high rise. Like I said, it runs bigger, but it never ever have issues with there being any leg gaps. It fits her. It's just, I'm used to like a buttons cover, which has a significantly lower rise, which not everybody likes that. So anyways, this is just so you know, runs a little bit higher for a rise. They do have Velcro for their closures, and I have had no issues with this. These are actually my only Velcro diapers. But now that my daughter is a toddler, I actually really like them and kind of wish I had some more in my stash. And it's like half potty training, half in diapers stage. I've really been enjoying the Velcro, so I can take it off really quickly if she decides to use the potty, and then it can come back on just as easily. Anyways, let's open up this all-in-one. I'll show you what's inside. So, like I said in the beginning, all of their products are 100% cotton. So this is a cotton terry. You can see the little loops in it. It has 2 flaps, 1 and 2, that you can choose. One of the flaps has a micro fleece, and all micro fleece pills up a little bit, but this is very soft still, and I'm really happy with how it's wearing. So if you want the fleece side against your baby's bottom for more of a stay dry feel, you just put that flap on top, versus if you want the organic cotton against your baby's skin, you put the other flap underneath. So each of these tongues is 3 layers. So that is 6 layers here, and then there are 2 or 3 layers of cotton in the core as well. But you can see where the core here has extra layers in the center. The gussets are really unique. So they have this internal gusset here, which is super gentle against the baby's leg. We never ever get red marks and haven't had any issues with leaks. They do have this outer gusset, but it isn't really elasticated. I'm not 100% sure like the reasoning behind it, but I really like the design and it works well, especially if you like gentle elastics. I would say the elastic here is kind of that thinner fold over elastic similar to what you see on Thirsties, but the gussets are definitely different than what you get on their diaper. This has a similar look to the Tidy Tots, I want to say. I had one of their diapers a long time ago and just this gusset area reminds me of that. But I have really been enjoying this. It washes up well. It dries relatively quickly for an all-in-one that has all the layers sewn in. The cons to me is that there is no back elastic. I don't know if they're supposed to be, and I just got one that didn't, but my research or from what I've seen online, it doesn't seem like there's back elastic. This is the size large, so it is for ages or for 24 to 35 pounds. So I'm not sure if the smaller diapers do have elastic in the back. This is the only one I've received or seen. So for me, it has not been an issue other than it does give a rather high rise, especially without that elastic. It goes pretty high up her back. Didn't have the elastic on a smaller baby, especially like before they start solids. There could be some issues with, you know, explosion of the back. But with my particular diaper on my toddler, we have had absolutely no issues. It is very absorbent. It held for 3 hours, which is about the longest I ever go. It was definitely saturated and these gussets were pretty damp, but not wicking out onto the clothes yet. So 3 hours is about as good as you can get for a diaper, especially an all-in-one. It's definitely absorbent and a very good diaper. I do have sizes preemie, which is really like a newborn. It's 5.5 to 11 pounds, as well as size small, medium, and this one size large. And they are $24.99, and then I think some are $26.99. So it is going to be a more expensive system, especially if you use this, you know, multiple sized, small, medium, large, all the way through potty training. But it is super high quality using the best materials. Your main reason for cloth diapering is environmental reasons. Brands like ImseVimse that have that guarantee and that certification on their products using 100% organic cotton, you know, that's where you get that price increase. If that's what you're really focusing on for the reason of your cloth diapering, this is definitely a brand that I would look into. Next, we have the all-in-two. They don't call it an all-in-two, they call it their cover with inserts. So this is a one-size system, and if you look at the cover, it is very similar. You know, it has the same Velcro, it has the same gussets. It's very similar to their all-in-one, but it does have the rise snaps. And then you open it up. And these are the inserts. So you can buy it as a set with the cover and the two inserts for $30.99. You can buy the cover itself for $22.99 and the inserts separate for $17.99 for the terry cotton, or the $18.99 for this, which is the jersey cotton. So again, on their higher side for prices, but those higher prices are justified by the materials used, the way it's manufactured, and the certification process. I'll show you the cover first. It is sized. I have it snapped down one for my toddler. There are two other rise settings to go down. Same big Velcro panel along the tummy. It has elastic in the back here, which is great. It is really, really, really high quality. I love this cover. It is pretty simple inside. The feel of it is so soft and just kind of, It's thick, but it is soft. Some of the PUL covers I have are thick, but then they feel stiff. This is not the case. It also has a snap in the front here to snap in your inserts. There is no back snap. And the inserts that they sell look like this. It has a large insert that can snap into this smaller insert, and then either one or both of them can be snapped into the cover. These are pretty unique. They're 100% cotton, which I really like, but there's some elastic in the inserts, and I believe that is to create this kind of channel to help prevent fluids from going outside. But because it's 100% cotton, and then with the elastics, I just find it kind of bunches too much. And this right here is not very soft then. And that's what is up against my baby's bottom. So I really would prefer if they didn't have the elastic in there and it would just lay flat like this. I would really like these inserts. They're great, 100% cotton jersey, very absorbent. Just that, elastic kind of makes it curl almost too much. On the larger insert, they have this to fold down. So if you're on like the lower rise, but you have a heavier, wetter child, you can still use both of these inserts without it being too long and sticking out of the diaper, which is a nice feature to have for that. Overall is the one size cover, and it is 8 to 35 pounds. I definitely recommend the cover. It is up there with one of my favorite covers. Just the way it fits my daughter and how gentle the elastics are. You don't have to use their inserts. You can use pre-folds or flats. So I think it is a very versatile cover and would fit a lot of different body types. They do also have sized covers if you prefer that. They do go for $15 or $14.99 a piece. Next we have their training pant. I really enjoy this. They do have a newer version out that has a gentler looking elastic around the waist. I have not tried that one. I want to say this is similar to a blueberry training pant where it has the cotton on the outside and on the inside layers are 100% cotton, but there is like a PUL lining on the inside. This is my favorite training pant that I have. I have a couple other kinds, but just this setup that it looks just like underwear that pulls up and down, pretty much just looks like underwear, but has the PUL in it. So I really do enjoy this. It is pretty much everything I've been looking for in a training pant. The only thing is that the waist is a little tight, so it can be tricky for my daughter to pull these up and down herself. It is a very stretchy elastic, but it just is a little bit tighter on the tummy. So I would be excited to see what the other newer version is like. So you can see it is on the side, it's just like this single layer of cotton, just like an underwear. But sewn in the middle is an absorbent 100% cotton insert. And then you can kind of hear it, that PUL in lining on the inside. And I have a size extra large, which is 24 to 31 pounds. And it fits my daughter really well. I would say these are pretty true to size. I'd highly recommend these training pants if you are looking for one. I believe they are $17.99 for one. New versions I want to say are $35 and they come in a pack of 2. Last but not least is their swim diaper, and I absolutely love this swim diaper. It is by far my favorite swim diaper that I have. It is a super soft, stretchy PUL material, and the inside it is PUL. It has the same gentle fold over elastics, just like all of their diapers that I've shown you. And it is like silky smooth and super soft and pliable. It isn't thick. And then on the sides it has 2 snaps. They're a little bit different. They're not like your standard snaps that you'd see on a cloth diaper. They're a little bit smaller, and I actually like that. It doesn't make it like bulky or anything, or on the side. I absolutely love this swim diaper. I have no complaints. It is definitely my favorite swim diaper. I have here the size extra large, so size 24 to 31 pounds for my 25-pound daughter, and she definitely has room to grow. The elastics are nice and gentle, but they do have a good seal around her legs, so if she were to go number 2 in the pool, I'm pretty confident that these would hold them. So it's just the perfect size and shape, and you can use it alone for swim bottoms or underneath your child's swimming suit. It isn't too bulky to fit underneath their, existing swimming suit. I like that it doesn't have any sort of like mesh or absorbent liner, because I feel like in my experience, that just holds on to liquid and urine. So if you're using it all day long, it could start to stink, but this definitely does not do that. It holds a nice seal, so it kind of gets full with water. And when they come out of the pool, you kind of just break the seal so the pool water comes out, and then they can just continue wearing it. So that is my review and overview of all the different ImseVimse products that I have. Without a doubt, I would recommend this brand. Sorry I got cut out there at the end, my phone died, but I just want to wrap things up and tell you all thank you so much for watching. Make sure you hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. I'm 48 subscribers short of 2,000 at the time of recording this video. So yay, if we can make that next milestone, that would be so awesome. Make sure you follow me over on Instagram. It's at 5 Minute Cloth, so we can continue this conversation. If you have any questions about anything cloth diaper related, head over there and chat with me. Currently, my comments are disabled in all of my videos just because YouTube has done that. But I'd love to chat with you all and talk cloth diapers. So please head over to my Instagram at 5 Minute Cloth. All right, thanks again, guys. Love you all. Bye.